strong trading day. We talked about this yesterday. We thought the market would break out, and it did. The end of day sell-off, we gave back some gains, and so I thought it might go a little bit more parabolic, but it makes sense for the market to pull back here. It keeps pulling back quite a bit, and we're up on the day, up on the month at new equity peak. So 4250. Bigger difference than I realized on the hypotheticals. Have to go back and look at that. But we are up on the month at equity peaks, live plus 19K. Today is the last Friday in January. Monday and Tuesday are the last two trading days of the month. And then we have FOMC on Wednesday. We're sitting at equity peaks, and we are looking forward to next week's trade. It's been our first full week of trading, actually the second full week of trading this year. Or in the last 4 weeks, actually 5 weeks. There was 3 out of 4 weeks where there was a holiday, and then we had another full week this week, so it's good to trade all 5 days. It affects the trading cycle somewhat when there is a holiday, and so it's nice to have all 5 trading days this week. And those are the results on the day. Market opened around break even, gapped down a little bit, and then rallied all day with some pullbacks and kept making higher highs until the very end of the day. We were at our peaks. We were up about 7K on the day. And so speaking of our portfolio money management algorithms, one idea, I guess, on a day like today, should we put in a trailing stop? Would a trailing stop loss at the end of the day work? That's something that could be tested and something to add to the list of things to test. While trailing stop losses usually don't work, you're up against time at this point. And so you're at peaks here. And oftentimes when the market's here and it's going your way, it can either give back or accelerate. And so a trailing stop loss, sometimes the market makes a definitive move at the end of the day. And so a trailing stop loss at the very end of the day might make sense. Overall, I'm not a huge fan of trailing stop losses because my back tests show that they reduce profits quite a bit, reduce return over drawdown, increase risk really, because they take out a lot of winners, and you need those winners to make up for losers. So Viper, up 1,075, went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades on the day. 4 out of 5 were profitable. So Viper just kept buying those dips, shallow dips, stick count trend, bought the shallow dips. And at the end of the day, we gave some back on that tick reversal. It was very close to its profit target. Was tempted to go ahead and take those profits up there at the highs, but stayed with the strategy because sometimes when it gets here, it can explode higher. It could have exploded another 100 points higher. It gave back about 100 points since its high. It was a quick 100-point sell-off in the Nasdaq, and then tick reversal, 1 winner, 1 loser. Tick reversal 2023, 1 winner. So only 4 trades today on the Nasdaq, but 4 for 4, and it came off like you can see the equity curve on these. They came off their highs on those, and so S&P 2 for 2. And so it looks like all strategies were profitable today. Not all trades were profitable. This last trade on Viper was not profitable, but the strategy as a whole, when you take it all 5 trades, was profitable on the day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strategies, 6 for 6 today. And these are the profits on the day at brand new equity peaks for Friday, January the 27th, 2023. Have a good weekend. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.